process to certify the election is already underway, but there are a lot of ways for it to be interrupted or changed. There are also some theories that are causing concern, but that don't have much standing in reality. Our Grant Herms takes a look.
With deadlines fast approaching, state Republicans and President Trump's campaign are trying to change the outcome of Michigan's elections in a few ways.
First is a recount. According to Michigan state law, a recount has to be triggered when a candidate wins by less than 2,000 votes, which doesn't apply to this year. It can also be petitioned by a campaign as long as they have a reasonable chance to win. But that's unlikely given Biden's lead, and it's expensive. The Trump campaign would have to pay for the recount by precinct. Next is the effort to halt the count based on claims that a Republican poll watcher was removed from a counting room and that a poll worker was instructed to change the date on ballots that may have arrived after Election Day. A court of claims judge denied both accusations as hearsay or moot. And while the campaign has appealed, that same judge saying today the campaign was missing key documents and has 21 days to turn them in or the appeal is dismissed. State Republicans are also calling for supporters to make claims about irregularities to a hotline set up by the party, hoping to bring those to court too. Finally, there's the claim the state legislature could refuse to certify the election and instead replace Electoral College electors with ones more favorable to the president, whose campaign reportedly has been trying to get friendly state leaders to do just that. But a statement from a spokesperson for Senate Majority Leader Mike Shirkey saying state law doesn't allow it, writing, "I think it's important to dispel the notion legislative leaders in Michigan can choose different electors."
While many of these things could muddy the waters of the election outcome, experts think they'll have little or no impact on Michigan's election. In Detroit, Grant Herms, Local 4.
All right, Grant, also worth noting, it is illegal in the state of Michigan for an elector to change their vote when voting for president and vice president.